In its recent communication, the Hnlc has commented that Pyniaid Syem's recent clarification in the media has been criticized as political eyewash. They alleged that Pyniaid Syiem, the CEM of the Khadc, like many politicians, is spreading falsehoods causing societal decay. The NPP government, both in the Khadc and the state, is accused of causing suffering in Sohra by shutting down the MCCL and fostering joblessness. The Hnlc has also warned the CEM to revoke the reclassification of Majai as a Raj, a move that allegedly benefits influential non-tribals. At the same time, the Hnlc has also warned of potential hate and violence in Sohra and the Hnlc people and urged upon the state government not to force the youth towards hatred.